You should research the project's white paper, demand supply factors, team, and stakeholders before investing in altcoins. Hey, it's the WOJAK Fixer here again, CoinFixer's trusted advisor and partner. Today we will be looking at how to pick and analyze altcoins. But before we do that, please note that we are not financial advisors and this is not financial advice. And while you are here, if this video provides you any value, do like the video and consider subscribe for more content like this. What are altcoins? Alternative and coin are the roots of the word altcoin. All Bitcoin substitutes are referred to as altcoins. Cryptocurrencies known as altcoins have similarities to Bitcoin. For instance, the fundamental structure of both Bitcoin and altcoins is similar. Similar to how peer-to-peer systems work and how Bitcoin works, altcoins also share code. Of course, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies differ significantly from one another. One such distinction is the consensus process these alternative coins use to approve transactions or create blocks. While altcoins typically use proof of stake, Bitcoin uses the proof of work consensus mechanism, POS. There are various categories of altcoins, and they are best characterized by their distinct functionalities and consensus mechanisms. These are the most typical kinds of alternative coins. Mining-based. Proof of work, or POW, is a technique used by mining-based altcoins to enable systems to produce new coins through mining. In order to create blocks, mining involves solving challenging puzzles. Examples of alternative coins that rely on mining include Monero, Litecoin, and Zcash. Stablecoins. Stablecoins seek to lessen the volatility that has characterized cryptocurrency trading and use from the outset. Stablecoins are therefore linked to the price of a basket of goods, such as gold, other cryptocurrencies, or fiat money. In case there are issues with the cryptocurrency, the basket acts as a reserve. Stablecoins include DAI, USD Coin, and Tether, for instance. Security tokens. A security token is, as its name implies, comparable to conventional securities traded on stock exchanges. They resemble conventional stocks and stand for equity, either through dividends or ownership. Investors are drawn to security tokens due to the high likelihood that their price will rise quickly. Meme coins. Meme coins are so named because they are a ridiculous parody of popular cryptocurrencies. Celebrities and well-known crypto influencers typically promote them. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and well-known cryptocurrency enthusiast, frequently drives up the prices of popular meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, for instance. Utility tokens. A given network's rewards, network fees, and purchases can all be made using utility tokens. Unlike security tokens, utility tokens do not provide equity. For instance, Filecoin, FAL, is a utility token that can be used to pay for storage space on a decentralized storage network. How do you evaluate altcoins? Analyzing the fundamentals of an altcoin entails examining and assessing all pertinent data. To fully comprehend and assess the top altcoins to purchase, it involves considering the network and use cases for the cryptocurrency in question, as well as the project's team. The aim of altcoin analysis, or cryptocurrency analysis in general, is to determine whether an asset is overvalued or undervalued. Undervalued assets are preferable, while assets that are overvalued should be avoided. This is due to the likelihood that overvalued assets will perform poorly and decline to their true value. On the other hand, undervalued assets are consistently profitable and have greater growth potential. You'll be able to make the best investment decisions with the aid of a thorough analysis. Here are some tips on how to research cryptocurrencies before making an investment. Step 1. Analyze the white paper and find the value proposition. Examining a token's white paper will yield a wealth of useful details, including its use cases, objectives, and team's project vision. The altcoin's white paper needs to paint a clear picture of how it will benefit its users. For instance, Bitcoin's value proposition is that it is a decentralized digital currency, without a central bank or single administrator, that can be sent from user to user on a peer-to-peer network without the need for intermediaries. You can use an altcoin's value proposition to direct your analysis as you look at more data about it. Step 2. Look for increasing demand and stable, or decreasing, supply. One of the best ways to decide on your next crypto investment is to consider supply and demand. It's time to examine how the alternative currency balances supply and demand now that you have a clear understanding of how it adds value to its users. Simply put, the altcoin should have incentives that will help the demand rise so that the supply is either stable or declining steadily. Prices increase when demand exceeds supply, which fuels further growth in demand. You can do this by using tools like Coin360's heat map, CoinMarketCap, and Cointelegraph's price indexes and market news. Step 3. Assess the team and stakeholders behind the project. After thoroughly evaluating the project's potential benefits, you should also carefully evaluate the project's team. The project's white paper contains information about the team, but try to conduct your own independent research on them as well. You can view their LinkedIn profiles, which they should have made public and open to everyone, as well as their team page on the project's official website. Consider the following inquiries when researching each member's history. Have they previously been involved in any other trustworthy and fruitful projects? What are their qualifications? Do they have a good reputation in the blockchain and cryptocurrency communities? The objective is to determine if the project's team is knowledgeable and composed of experienced professionals. To further your research on this, you can look at blockchain explorers and on-chain analytics platforms. Additionally, you can peruse their social media accounts or look up any conversations they have on Twitter. For instance, the reason Ethereum has such a strong investment community is that every person who works on it adds value for Ethereum holders. Despite problems like high fees and sluggish transactions, top talent like developers and community builders still want to join Ethereum-related projects. Ethereum is used to power systems like Aave and OpenSea. It makes sense to have a strong core team supporting the project because it has a cascading effect. Similar to Ethereum, a project with a strong talented team attracts even more reliable forward thinkers, allowing for the development of even more projects and improvements on the platform. These people work hard to continuously enhance the project's initiatives and platforms, adding even more value for currency holders. Let us know your picks on your favorite altcoins in the comments down below, and if you're currently invested in any yourself. If you enjoyed the video or if it brought you any value, do let us know by hitting the like button. And if you would want more videos like this, do subscribe. Thanks for watching. This has been the WOJAK Fixer.